These HQST 100D mono solar panels are Renogy clones. Look at the price point. Just over $1 a watt shipped. Digging it. So the goal was to complete this pergola. I had 600 watts up there last year, so this year 1,000 watts, which is going to be much better for powering my bedroom air conditioner throughout this hot summer. And these are faced west for the heat of the sun. Here's my 24 volt bedroom system, 4 Trojan overdrive batteries, 200 amp hours. That's a Tracer 40 amp MPPT solar charger with an MT50 optional meter. I've got the Wi-Fi dongle and battery temperature sensor on order, so it should be in probably next week sometime. Just doing some testing here to make sure the wiring is all good, and was able to actually see over 850 watts on that newly made array, over almost 34 amps. Alright, what I want to show you out back here is a little video of everything I did. Used Unistrut and grade 5 quarter 20s. Some serious lag bolts to hold down here. I built this pergola about 12 years ago, and there's been several iterations with solar panels and everything else. But I really like working with Unistrut, Superstrut. I'm going to show you some of my spaghetti wiring here. I'm using those Beetle twist tie deals. Also, I'm using a 30 amp inline MC4 fuse. It's the parallel connection there. 2 strings of 5. As you saw before, my voltages were 80 plus volts. More efficient. It just slapped, HQST just slapped a different sticker on for these Renogy panels, but essentially they're 100D monocrystalline, and I've had really good luck with these panels. There's my micro solar generator system, 12 volt, with rain covers on there. I just did a little work over there next to that bush, planted some vincas. Garden pond's going to be kick butt this year. Got some edibles here, except for the cat grass. I guess the cats eat it. So, all right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully it inspires you with your own do-it-yourself creations. Later.